Hello! I'm going to teach you all the sounds in the English language. Start with our new sound. Close your lips and blow. Letter P makes the P sound. We say P. Pirate. Listen up.
Pirate. Shiver me timbers. By golly, that's a beautiful ship.
Pig.
Pizza.
I can smell pizza.
Pencil. Penguin.
To write the sound P, we go down to the bottom, come back up, and go round. Let's learn some new words with the P sound. Say P. At. P. At. Pat. Hear it.
Say at. At. Pat.
Get the full training pack on our website. See ya!